friends. Please like and subscribe and share our videos. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to LaTeX learning series. In this video I am going to make a title page for report and article. So you have to make a command and specify what kind of document you are going to want to write. So here the document is slash document class article in this curly brackets, and here the square brackets are used for specifying the paper size 12 point and A4 paper. So this is for a book or report or whatever you want pamphlet here. Use a curly brackets to contain a command. Next you're gonna want to begin your document, that is slash begin document. Begin document, and of course if you're gonna beginning the document you are going to be ending the document, that is end document in curly brackets. Space. So the first thing that a report starts whenever you open a report is you see a title page. For title page I'm gonna show you how to make a title page and how to custom the title page. So if you want a shortcut you can make the title page using the commands title slash title in curly brackets. You can write your title name, that is the coronavirus cases in Pakistan. And next you have to type the command author. I can specify it slash author. Write your own name, and next you have to type the date. So before the author you have to add the date, that is slash date within curly brackets 2020 double slash and July. I am adding this date, you can add your own date. So and then compile it. This is our title page. This is the title and name and department and date. You can add department. I added here the department and the country also with the author's name. So this type of title page didn't look like a nice one. So instead of using the standard template, the LaTeX provides you a custom title page that will look better. So change it if you want. So remove these commands before the beginning document. So leave the document class command and begin and end documents. Now I am going to begin my own title page. For this I am writing begin title begin title page, that is slash begin title page in curly brackets, and I want it to be in center, then slash begin center. So If I am beginning it to be in center, then of course I need to end it in center. So slash end center is compulsory for this. And if we are beginning the title page, we need to end the title page also. These are 4 commands. It has to be in same order. So like this, begin document, and from here beginning title page and begin center and end title page. So it should be nested. If you want, you can indent writing by setting this. It helps you keep track of this nesting. So first thing at the top, I'm gonna want my title, and if I want to have a line below my title, then after the begin center command, you have to type the command that is slash line, and then specifying the slope in brackets 1 and 0, and within curly brackets 300 filling of the line, that is filling of the line. So I want my title to be big, that is slash huge, and slash boldfaces series BF series, and enter your title name here. The coronavirus cases in Pakistan. Now I am going to build this and take a look at what it looks right now. You see, I put bracket around the huge. Reason behind these curly brackets, these 2 curly brackets, is that I used slash huge, then everything after this huge command going to be huge. So by putting the brackets around this, it contains the hugeness in brackets only. So what we do here, we have a line. It's because we have a title immediately after the slash line command. Then we have a space here. Why? The reason is because it's latex. If you have a single space between this line and this line, then you have to continue to write. 2 things to do here are, one is to use double slash here on this line. Alternative way is that you have to put a space between them. Now compile it. Now you can see the line above this title. You can actually control the line by putting it the 200, that is slash line, again 10, and now in this case 200. Now compile it, and again this is not looking the decent way to present your title page. So I am changing here 300 to 400, and here I am changing it to 300. So now compile it. Now this is nice way to present it. So how do we change the space between these two lines? That's actually really easy. You can, for example, add in 0.25 inches space here, only in square brackets, 0.25 and 4 inches. Now it took like this. This is the space now here. You can increase the space below the line here also by writing in square brackets 2 mm. Now this is the title. Look at the preview. There are two lines and there is space here now. So now you might want a company name or the university that you are from or some extra information before you are going to write author block. So the way I am going to do it, giving some space, that is 1.5 centimeter. So the way I am going to do it, give some space of 1.5 centimeter, and then I am going to put command, that is slash text sc within curly brackets slash large in capital letters for getting extra large letters, and you can write here other details, say for example confirmed cases. Write in small letters confirmed. And add another 0.75 centimeter space in brackets, square brackets, 0.75 cm, and then doing that again, that is slash text sc curly brackets slash. Now we can say we are going for some different type of large, that is in L in caps lock and ARGE in small letters, large, and another detail, actual cases, okay, in caps lock. Let's see how this looks now. How this happens, missing double slash here and here. Now compile and take a look at it. Now this is okay. Let's move for an author's block. Before going to that portion, you have to type a space of 10 centimeter in curly brackets, square brackets, and now I am going to end the center here. So I am going to start right flush. For this you have to type slash begin right flush, in curly brackets, So if we use begin flashlight, we have to end it also. So end flashlight, right flash. Sorry, it's flash right. Flash right. Inside the flash right command, using the same formatting, that is slash text sc, and within curly brackets slash large with capital L, and type your name here. We can use the different sizes, and going to the next line, text sc. Now in this line without large text, type your subject or department, what you want. And now I'm going to insert the date. And it's July 2020. And don't forget to double slash after every line. So here we go. You can see this is large, this is not large, and this is all capitals. So let's put brackets over here around the date. And now take a look. You can add a picture here. If you want, latex can do it all. So now what we do, let's say you want to start a new page. Type some text here before the end title page command and compile it. You can see the text on the next page. Let's say if you want to shorten this page to be 9 cm, here you can change this 10 to 9, then so that we can get some space on this page. Rebuild it. And now you can see that some text is on the title page. Moving this text from here to after the title page command. Now compile it, and you can see now the text is on the next page. There was some room here for text here before. We specified it outside the title page, so it starts on a new page. And you also noticed you started title page, you don't have a page number here, and here this is a page number. Here it is on the second page. The reason for that, this is the first page of your document. It typically don't number your title page, and so this is officially where our report really begins. Now we have a nice looking page of the title. Thank you.
Hello friends, please like and subscribe and share our videos. Thank you. Bye bye.